God, where do we go now?
Gosh, stop whispering. I can't hear you.
Girl, I gotta tell you something. Oh my God, wait. You look like a potato. Bitch, you look like a Brussels sprout.
Hey, Ratchet. I can't breathe. No oxygen. Light flashing before my eyes.
I'm not listening.
Ratchet.
Move, bitch, get out the way. Get out the way, bitch, get out the way. Move, bitch, get out the way. Get out the way, bitch, get out the way.
I am a scientist. It's so cool. Son of a bitch.
This is your home, the Great Clock! A marvel of science and sorcery, engineered by the brightest Sony in all of existence, and constructed in the exact center of the universe!
Both of y'all's voices are way too high and annoying as fuck. So will you please shut the hell up before you blow everybody's eardrums out? Damn!
Who the hell are you? I live here! No, you don't! Yes, I know the hell you don't!
It was at this moment that Nathan knew. He fucked up.
Check out that explosion! That was awesome! Let's do it again! Move! It's my turn to look!
No, it's my turn, you little brats. Get out of here. Don't you know how to respect your elders, Ow!
Randy Orton slithering.
Watch out, watch out, watch out! Oh my God! Nowhere!
Are you a potato?
No! I'm not a potato!
Alright, bust the beat. Ready, go. Okay, you're spitting all in my shit!
General, will you just stop for a second? I want to know what happened.
I can't hear you! It's too dark in here!